Hey everyone, got a couple new vehicles in the collection this week. First up, oh, this is a big heavy boy. I've chased this one for a while. If you've seen some of my other videos, I have the big American pickup trucks in resin by GT Spirit. I've got the Dodge, the Ram, the Power Wagon, it's called, and I've got a Chevy Silverado, but I really needed this Raptor. This is a Ford F-150 Raptor. This is the second generation. The second generation was, it ditched the V8 for a 3.5 liter EcoBoost. So this had about 450 horsepower. The third gen just came out and it's very similar. Very similar engine. So yeah, I've chased this for a while. It first came out in blue and sold out. It does not have open grills, sadly. Yeah, the blue one and Performance Blue sold out quickly. White is not my favorite color, but this is also now hard to find. Usually does about, I don't know, $250 to $300 on eBay. I actually found this locally at kind of a skeezy flea market where the guy sold it to me for $94, so it came out to $100 with tax. It's card number 199 out of 999. Has a little bit of underbody detail, simulated spare tire. Paint's good. Interior very hard to make out. It's two-tone though, from what you can see. Certainly at the price I paid, I'm not mad at it. It came without screws holding it down, that's why I got it cheap, but I'm sure I can source the right screws. Packaging, great big red GT Spirit box. At least unlike Auto, it gives you a little preview of what you're getting. Next up, this is really considered a concept car, or at least this version is. This is the Nissan GT-R50 by Untitled Design. Basically, it's like what you call coach work. Coach work is when they rebody an existing car. So this is a rebody of a R35 GT-R. But they did actually make 50 of these a couple years later after it was a concept. They made some slight changes to produce it. But this is purely the concept version. We do have open grills. Again, this is by GT Spirit, so sealed resin. Paint's very nice. The bronze accents are really neat. This was based on the Nismo version, so it started at 600 horsepower, but was tweaked with, GT3 turbo, so had a little over 700 horsepower. At this point, the R35 GT-R has grown quite long in the tooth. I think it came out in 2009. So yeah, 3.8 liter twin turbo V6. Pretty neat piece. I'm really into concept cars, so I like stuff like this for subject matter. Wheels and tires are very good. This is car number 1304 out of 1400, which is a little bit higher of a build number for GT Spirit. Usually it's 999-ish. But pretty happy with this one. I think I paid about $100 landed, which retails like $149. So that price, I'm certainly not mad at it. Packaging, the modern GT Spirit box, which is flat black with your little window box preview. So that's it for this week. Sorry they're both sealed, but that's just what I happen to have bought. I still have a lot more cars in the queue to show, so no repeats for a while. So everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.